Hi, my name is Kaelyn.
Hi, my name is Josiah.
And today we will be teaching you how to make a DIY lip scrub for your mother for Mother's Day.
Kapowie, let's get to it!
Ingredients that you'll need:
4 teaspoons of sugar,
1 teaspoon of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Josiah, would you like to pour in the sugar? And now we're going to mix it. I'll mix it first and then you can mix it second, okay? While Josiah's mixing, I want to say, do not eat this. Even though it's made of ingredients that you would normally put in food, it's not good to eat, which is food coloring. But be careful with the food coloring you choose. No, because blue and green can stain your lips. So you should probably do like a yellow or red drops, because sometimes if you only put a little of red, it will usually turn to pink. So we're going to need to put in 2 drops.
Stop!
Now it's time to mix it in. Oh, also it should be this kind of crumb-like consistency right now. Now, you're going to need to have a container to put it in. And that you got to make this for your mother. Happy Mother's Day!
Bye.